Hi, welcome to another TruDIY, and I'm Ryan, the marketing manager at Trumark Homes, here with Heather from Chameleon Design, and we're going to talk about another wall detailing that you can do.
We have come up with this great detail for a kid's room where we take the paneling detail on a diagonal and we use the drywall smooth coat as like our backer board. It's kind of like a cheater thing for a wall paneling detail, so we can't wait to show you.
So Heather, can you tell us what the steps are to doing this wall treatment and what materials we're going to use?
So today we are using an MDF sheet, and there's multiple ways to do this wall treatment. I know that we're going to show you installing one with like a wood molding trim. I like to work with the MDF sheet. I think it's a little bit easier to work with. So to get started, the first tool I like to use is the T-square. That will help us figure out the exact size of the strips that we're going to cut. Okay. So your measuring tape always is necessary. Pencils are always going to be key. This is a pocket square. We can use it to help cut straight lines, but it also will cut the angles.
Okay, great.
The circular saw again, and then we have the nail gun too to finish it. So those are the main tools we need.
So how do we start?
So I'm going to take the T-square. The great thing about the T-square is this crossbar on the top kind of sits below, even with the material.
Okay.
We are doing 2-inch strips, so we'll get us to the 2-inch mark here.
Okay.
Make it all level. We'll take our pencil and start making our marks all along the board. And then we'll get our saw.
Do you need me to hold this one?
Yeah, actually just kind of put pressure on it to kind of get it. So I'm gonna line it up and start sawing.
So how do we get the diagonal look?
So now that we have our 2-inch strip already cut out,
okay,
we will take our pocket square and we will cut or draw the angle that we want to take it at. We did ours in a 45-degree angle. So I've marked it there. Take the circular saw again, hold the end of that. Perfect. And I will cut this little angle.
So we have our angle. What do we do now?
So now that we have the cuts that we need, we're gonna take our strips back into the bedroom. We already have the wall prepped. We've done the drywall smooth coat as our backer board, which is a really cost-effective way of getting this wall detail done. We're gonna glue the strips. We're gonna apply them to the wall, making sure our angles hit the ceiling and the bottom angle hits the base, and then we'll do our nail gun.
So Heather, I just used a wood molding inside to put the diagonal paneling up. What's the difference in materials?
So both are correct to use. I've chosen to show you the MDF material, but using the wood molding is a little bit thicker, so you get more dimension out of it. It's a much more kind of architectural, structural feel. This, with the MDF, will give you the same patterning, but with a little bit more flat feel, so art and other things like that can be attached to the wall more easily.
Great.